stay inside this house, you don't die. I mean, not a person there, the knock since.
Come, see, Morgan no dey like this kind of knock, Morgan a madman, no. If he come out now, he will kick you through away.
But why I stand there since they stress myself? Make the person come out now. I don't understand this kind of thing. Otherwise, I go another house and they find me for other houses or not be this one where they keep person for outside. Then I may say the chef don't come, the new chef don't come.
Wait. Oh, now you be the new chef. No wonder you carry pot to follow body.
Tell your guy make you come outside. I know they like all this nonsense. Why go keep me here since now?
Who wants to break down my door?
Gasiamo.
As you know, agree come out now. I say make her they knock. The stress person.
How did she get here? What's going on?
So, I'm your new chef. Now the agency people say make her come here, come start work for you. On the lock since, no the open door. I don't understand.
This is child abuse. I told the agency I needed a chef, not a baby.
So the agency they mad. They don't know why they carry me come here. Okay, sir. They say make her come. Sorry, sir, make her come start work. Excuse, sir. I'm getting carry my box, my bag. I beg.
No. I think say na your small sister won't come because of your wedding. He dey even say make her carry bag. Instead of me to carry you go outside gate, he dey say make her carry bag, come inside.
Listen, enough of this joke. What is going on here?
Okay, let me introduce myself again to you. My name is Peta. I'm your new chef. So I was sent from the agency. They said I should come and be cooking for you. That is why I'm here. Perpetua is my name.
Hello, Pascal. What's going on? Excuse me. He's not on set. Tell him to call me back as fast as possible.
Sir, I'm Perpetua. Check your message. Perpetua is sent to you now. I cannot.
The problem is that, are you a kid or an adult? What is going on here?
Sir, the problem here now, accept who they send come for you. Now me they send, the agency send me, they know why they send me. Make I start my work. Where your kitchen? I know what I'm doing, sir. I know my work, sir.
My friend, come back here.
Sir, what I'm saying is that let me cook. I've been in this job for years though. Let me just cook for you once. You will like it. Don't worry. Trust me, sir.
My friend. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Hello? Hello? What sort of human being is this? Ete?
Oga, you dey call me?
Get me a glass of water. We have a situation here. Get a glass of water.
Hey, let's talk and say this girl a problem.
What sort of problem is this? Hello? Hello?
Hey.
I beg you,
No, make that water not touch me. You dey mad. Person faint to dey pour water. You know if you bring more than milk. Sorry, sir. Sir, sorry for the fainting. That is one of my hobbies. Sorry, sir. So come and show me the kitchen. Let me resume work.
Oga, make her carry and go outside now.
You all should just get out of my presence.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for the shock. Carry me go kitchen.
First talk and say you go be problem.
Oga, carry me go. Who are you? Who are you?
You go be problem.
Talk to me. Who are you?
Oga, they find the kitchen.
Hello, Pascal. Who did you send? Or better still, what did you send?
Hey. He just did shout. Can show me kitchen. Can show me kitchen. Who are you? Nothing when anybody fit tell me for this life. You not go sabi cook anything. Even to boil or to herself, if it be by chance, she say na to carry pot for her, cause wear uniform like old nurse. They tell me say I can't share me the kitchen. Share me the kitchen. One thing when anybody go tell me, you not go sabi cook. You not go sabi cook. When they see who sabi cook, they know. Now I they take no corn when they're ripe. You not sabi. Nonsense. Tell me say God show me the kitchen.
Your food. Sir, this is your food. Let's start from this one first. So let's assume this is our interview. If you eat it and like it, then that means I've passed. So you will like it. Go ahead and enjoy, sir. My oga wey dey form. Shebi na you chop am now, you die. No, as you chop am now, you die. Don't calm down, take the food, enjoy am, keep am, relax well, chop am. Now your house be this, chop am well.
I'm just eating this for formality's sake.
For formality, wetin be formality sake? Food wey I serve I cook, you dey chop am for formality. Oh yeah, nah, no chop am again for formality. Thank you, sir. Give me.
Do you realize I'm your oga and you're in my house?
You never become my oga because you never accept me. So as you no gree chop my food for, you dey chop am for formality sake. Make I carry and go back to where I come from. So you go pay me now. Pay for service.
Pay for what?
Pay for service charge.
Service charge?
Yes.
How much?
75k.
How much is your salary?
75k.
You're mad. Be like say crazy worry you. Leave my house.
I know they play. Oh. Come give me my money. People go gather here for me and you. You never become my oga, so make I know they give you that respect.
Enough of this drama. I said leave my house.
Give me money now, make I leave.
Money for waiting?
For the pot of rice wey I cook. You know how much I take cook the rice?
Not be testing, you bring my test.
Which testing?
Leave this place.
I know they leave. Give me my money, sir.
I said leave this place.
Sir, with all due respect, make we not drag this talk. Give me my money, sir.
I'm not paying you. Leave my place.
Hey! Help me! People! This man don't give me my money! Oh! Sir! Hey! Hey! I got it! Help me!
Obanja.
Oga, that small, that girl, you don't faint to.
Call the estate security to bundle her out. But before then, pour her a bucket of water.
The man just pour water.
No. Lie down on top of her. Very soon. Get out of this place.
Where this girl come go? I mean, this girl na ghost. I hear now leave am now. I first talk am o. Say this kind girl when just vanish come this compound begin follow stay. This girl na ghost o.
You are a nice cook, but you are troublesome.
Sir, with due respect, say you are a nice chef. Call me chef.
You're a wonderful chef.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I tell you so you go like am. They prove stubborn.
I enjoyed your meal, so I have accepted you.
No wahala. Thank you, sir.
Yes, my fiancée will be visiting tomorrow, so I would love you to prepare something top-notch for her.
Top-notch. No wahala now. When she come. So where my room dey? We can go rest today.
You will be staying at the BQ.
BQ. BQ, na the one where they inside the house. I mean, na the one where they outside the mansion.
No, outside the house.
No. My working place na kitchen where they inside this mansion. I go to sleep for outside mansion. No, I need to stay inside this place. Make I do observe kitchen.
According to your contract, you are meant to stay outside. But I will do this out of my own benevolence. You can stay here just to make you comfortable as someone that cooks for me.
No wahala. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't mention.
This girl is troublesome.
I manage this one. At least there's enough space. I mean, I like space well. I like space because the bed, hey, the bed again. Makes sense. It can get well. Makes sense. And this room I go take. Look, I go bath. Go bath for you walk. This place fine. This house. You fine. Oga.
Yeah?
Sir.
Yeah?
So my room where they up, make you can't turn the water heater.
Your room where they up? Where are you calling your room?
You get one who wants for up. You know, so I go choose room for myself. The room gets big bed like that. It gets golden bed. Big well. So I they like space. I know they like that room. And they like space.
That's my room. Get my. See your size. You dey like space. Idiot.
Bia,
I hate stress. Don't just stress me. What's that name? Epegini.
Have you heard? What am I supposed to hear?
Don't tell me you have not heard.
Look, if you have anything to tell me, just say okay, because my cab will soon be here.
When last did you hear from your boyfriend, Obi?
Hey, my ex. Yes. So long he has refused to come and beg me for accusing me of cheating on him, he remained my ex. Yes.
Oh. So the news shouldn't move you then?
And what news?
He is getting married next month.
What? You're joking? No. Oh my God. My chest. Oh, I can't breathe. Help me. No, it's not true. Tell me it's a lie. No, Obi can't do this to me. No,
you just said he's your ex.
No. He can't do this to me. No.
Asa. Nonsense. He's my ex.
be that? Hey. Calm down, don't stress me. That's all you dey do. Who you dey find? Wetin carry you come?
What kind of question is that? You mean you don't know me?
Auntie, I don't know you.
Ete, did you say you don't know me? Eh? Oh, I can see you're part of this conspiracy, right? I can see. You know what? I'm here to see Obi.
Hey, see, I beg, call Oga for phone. Oga don't tell me, say, make I not allow any woman enter this house. I beg, I don't want to lose my job.
I should call Obi on the phone. And why will I do that? Please.
See, I know the fight woman. Now make her still they follow you, they talk.
I said leave my side. Get out!
I don't blame you, I swear. May you just go inside the house, may you come. Except say you go jump first, they come up for the compound. Maybe you come past this gate. I mean you push that. CSO like me, now you push that. You know the fear rank. Rank when they white on top of green, you know fear rank. You don't know me, now because I'm not a big woman. But when you come out now, others your body will do poko. So if I don't fling you with one, take you to a whip grand, no say I not do things for worry. Now me, you see as he fling me, okay, you the say you get weight, Abi.
Babe! Where the hell is he? Babe!
Okay, you don't come back, Abi. You don't come back. When you take push me for, When you take push me for, if I say make I bounce you now, they go say man they beat woman. Well, you are who they do that one. You are who they do that one. You don't get respect for CSO.
There's a woman in this house. You don't want to talk. So there's a woman in this house. You mean Obi wants to leave all this goodies, so he could be with some cheap sluts?
See, if na me be you, I could just go ask. Now this one night they talk say they don't serve you breakfast. You go shop am. They go ask.
I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here so that I will see that woman that he wants to leave me for. I won't do that.
See, I not get another work. Not come make me lose my job. I think God beg you. Just come they go. I beg. Not be that side I say me you they go now. Come they go like this. You they go like this. Small time now they go say they don't dey beat woman. Say they don't dey beat woman. Oh, go be like all the graga when I do for worry. Now woman now come call the beat for this side. Come pick your ring, oh. I don't know where I'm. Oh.
Who be that one? Hey. Calm down. Who be that?
You again?
Yes, me again. Where is your boss?
He travel.
I know you're lying. Yes, I know you're lying.
I mean, opposite you don't get small monkey hand. Eh? You see?
Where is the owner of this house? Where is the rapist?
Not be me be the owner of the house. Nah, me be the gate man. I me the open and close gate. The owner of the house, it be like who travel. It be like who dey inside. Go.
Officer, he is lying. Don't mind him. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. I for don't resign, no. I for don't resign, no. Even for my dream yesterday, I dey say resign. Now police don't involve for this house.
Where is that bloody rapist? Come down here! There you are.
Officer, that's the rapist. Arrest him.
Mr. Man.
What's going on here?
Mr. Man, do you know this young lady?
Yes, she's my ex.
Oh, because she's your ex. That was why you battered, molested, assaulted and raped her.
Excuse me? Officer, is this a joke? Don't believe whatever people say. How can I rape this one? Rape? How? What am I looking for here?
Now listen to me, young man. You're under arrest for assault and rape.
Listen, I did no such thing, okay? She is my ex. But she came here and started dramatizing. I can't. Now we must continue from where we stopped. If she can't have me, no one will have me. She will go and kill herself. I said, fine. Kill yourself elsewhere, but leave me alone. She started dramatizing. I was trying to leave. She held me. She started beating me. So while trying to defend myself, I pushed her down. That's exactly what happened.
Oh, tell me more. So you pushed her to the ground and forced yourself on her. Wonderful.
Officer, I even have an eyewitness who was here yesterday. She came in search of a job. She saw everything. I have no reason to beat or rape her. What for?
You tried to teach me my job?
No, but I cannot agree to what I did not do now.
Officer, stop doing this now. Move him. He has to go to court. He must be in jail.
Where you dey go?
I dey go Evil Forest. As you don't blind, say I can't start work.
See, I go just advise you. No just enter that house at all. Because except say you dey find problem.
Which problem? Now you go command me where to enter and where not to enter. Abi? I dey go inside, make I go see my oga, make I start to work.
Wait. Just call Oga for phone. Because Oga dey with August visitor for inside.
Now, I will go meet them, we'll finish the August meeting now. She be now for August meeting, they come. August visitors, they come for August meeting. We will join the yes, I will cook for them, we go chop. Don't worry, I will go chop food. I will cook for them.
See, no April visitor you be. I dey tell you something, you dey.
Now listen to me, young man. You are in a hot soup right now.
Soup? Hot soup? Sir, soup will dey for inside, make I do eba. It's that. Sir? Thank God. She was here yesterday. She's a cook. She came to look for a job. She saw everything. Okay? She saw when she started fighting me for no just cause because I said it's over between us. I was trying to defend myself and I pushed her. She fell down here. That's it. That's a big nash. What happened to you? You get accident. Trailer jam your head.
Hey, look. Nobody invited you in all this, okay? But shut up. Officer, do your job now.
And who are you?
Sir, I am who I am, sir. She came yesterday, she's a cook. She came in search for a job.
She was here when everything happened. Tell them the truth now.
Oh, the witness you talked about. Oh, I see. The both of you collided. To rape her.
Exactly.
Officer, look at the person you are saying that we raped. Me and her, who we raped who? I did no such thing, okay? I told her it's over. She was like, if I can't have you, no one will have you. That's a stupid mentality. Stop all this nonsense. You can't force me to love you. She was here. Were you not here? Tell them the truth now.
I don't saw anybody. So they slapped one of my eye before that incident happened. So I don't saw anything.
So just stop this now.
I don't see anything now.
Save me from this mess. Tell them the truth.
They slapped me for eye before. So before the thing happened, they slapped me. Nothing happened now.
Please, I know you're a man of integrity. Give me 1 minute. Let me sort it out. Come here. Tell them the truth. Now why are you there? Okay, what do you go to here?
Calm down.
Please, listen. You need to tell them the truth. The girl said I raped her. If you don't tell them the truth, that means I'm going to jail.
Are you raped her?
Yes.
You're lying now.
God bless you. But you have to tell the police.
I will tell them the truth on one condition.
Just say it.
Just make a say.
Yes.
But are you ready to listen?
Just say it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know how to say it.
Oh, can you be serious for once?
Let me say it. The thing is, I will say the truth if you are going to consider me as your second wife.
Are you mad?
So if you don't marry me now, who will come marry person will get one eye?
I will give you money. Go and treat your eye. Besides, your eye is fine. I will send you some money. Treat yourself, but just say the truth.
You are not ready now. Don't worry. Don't need to go.
Wait, come first.
Okay, so see, now the event planner number be this. Copy am. I want my shoe size na 20. I want 50 girls for a bridal train. I want my wedding dress to come with stone, you get. And I want the color of the day to be red because I want to paint everywhere red. So I want also to
Hey, enough. Just send. I will send you money now. I will send you 300,000.
300,000.
Yes. Treat your eye and say the truth. Is that okay?
Say the truth. 300,000.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Officer, I'm innocent.
Dirty and big bomb. Eyewitness don't come. Sir, you see this auntie, she dey lie. That day, she come my oga body, say my oga love na right first, say my oga no love am, say he did that my oga kill am, or she go kill my oga. Na so my oga come, and she come dey hug, dey drag am back, dey drag am. Yeah, it come happen. My oga come do like this, come push am, she come for that for this place. Nothing happen again, no. My oga, me I come run away. Na wetin happen?
Officer, don't mind that she lied too much. I've told you before, mind your business.
Me, I lie too much?
Yes.
Officer, okay, if you want to know who they lie too much, show me the camera be this. The camera be this. The camera be this. And I hope say this one going to see our face well. This one going to see our back like this. Then make I go tell my oga go bring a what go use watch am. Make you play and watch. Make all of us watch and see if person they lie. Make I go call am.
There's no need of calling him now. Look, I've reconsidered this, so I decided to forgive him.
You decided to forgive him?
Yes.
How do you mean? Eyewitness, I think you're very correct. Yes. We need to review the CCTV so we can see everything that happened.
Good.
Yes, very good.
Officer, you know I'm not really a bad person, and this is someone that I've had something lovely with. I changed my mind, so I decided to let everything go. I've forgiven him, so let's go. I've forgiven him, let's go.
This is ridiculously ridiculous. Officer,
let's go.
Get back.
This for love. I hope you understand.
it might not be this lucky next time. Let's go.
What did you tell the police?
Forget about it now, tell police. Why am I phone first?
No.
You. My God, very intelligent. I put it to you that you are a liar. Yes, a very big liar.
Officer, I'm not lying. Everything I said is the truth. So I decided to forgive him because to err is human and to forgive is divine.
To err is human and to forgive is divine.
Yes, of course.
Oh. And you know what? You will follow us to the station so that I can explain this to the DPO. Very simple.
Officer, is this an arrest?
You are not under arrest. You are upon and on top arrest. Officer, move on!
Oh, I need to go to hospital and address myself.
Will you move before you go address yourself? Rubbish.
What you tell everybody?
Dua, where am I at the place now? Dua. If you ask more thing from you, we can take.
You are hilarious.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
add your... Put your account.
Okay, sir.
Confirm it. 300 cases.
Sir! Ha! Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate, sir. God bless you, sir.
You're welcome. Where you go?
I'm going home.
I told you I'm respecting my wife. So you have to prepare lunch for her.
Sir, if now you dey wire this kind of money for your account, you go cook, you go work. Tell me the truth. Make I go flex this one. So I'm allergic to cooking. Sorry, sir.
Are you kidding me?
Thank you, sir.
Oh yo yo, oh yo 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 yo. Anyway she dey pepper them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to talk.
Hello?
They busy them. Oh pepper.
Okay, so I want cow head. When I get cow head,
If no be talk una fight.
cow head, 7 plates.
I'm up now shoot on sight. Oh pepper.
Then pepper soup. Plenty, I need plenty. How many I fit get from one? How many plates I fit get from one pepper soup? Then when I get gizzard, make una make am dey spicy o, make it sweet well well. Gizzard, Then I go want fresh palm wine. When I get fresh palm wine, e fresh. When una carry am come na today, if you no fresh, I no go take am o. I need plenty. No, money no go be problem. And the problem na. Just arrange and keep. If I come, I go pay carry am. You get? Hey, no wahala. I dey come na me you dey joke with.
Honey, I'm sorry. I won't be able to make it to your place today. I have a lot to do at the office. Honey, are you okay? Your voice is so withdrawn and downcast. Alright, baby. Don't worry, we have a lot to gist about, okay? Before I forget, the agency, did they still send the chef?
She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove.
Oh, it's okay, baby. I love you. Do take care of yourself for me, okay? Alright, bye, baby. Let me get back to work.
Okay, blow your horn now.
My car doesn't have horn. The
Get-
horn is spoiled.
So what do you want me to do now?
Come down and knock.
I don't understand. So if I pay you 10,000 naira, I go see go contact, go open get it. You dey why me? Okay, use your mouth to blow am now. If you no get.
I no get horn. My car no get horn.
Okay, if you no dey use your mouth to blow the horn, I no go pay you anymore. I go just come down here, go inside though.
But I don't carry you reach gate. Now for you to come down, come not forget.
You no concern me. Then I make out the go down. Maybe you know me.
Say that to blow horn. Don't worry, make I blow horn. Why you go tell me say I don't this share? They tell me say make I blow horn.
Blow.
PPP. Did they show someone there here?
Someone there inside now. I don't sure. No, I can't tell you. Make you carry me come here.
I don't think the gate man is here. Papa. There's nobody is here. Oh.
Continue, sir.
How you go tell me say make I continue? I don't carry this place.
I no go pay you your money. Oh. I no go pay you.
Wow. No go tell me say I no go pay me. You go pay me. Oh.
One I may dey here. I no go pay you.
PPP. How you go tell me say make I know?
Knock am where?
Tell me say make I know.
Knock am where? You go up, knock am. You don't just so. You know AC for me. You want window down. You can't make I want use my mouth now or make I come down, go open door. You dey whine. You go knock am there. I wear sweater. You know all AC. You get mine. This one keep me for your car, for this property car.
Nobody is here. Oh.
Anyway, she dey pepper them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh, pepper. Every day now, wahala. Each day get young drama. If no be talk, na fight. Oh, her mouth na shoot on sight. Oh, pepper. Anything where you talk, you get your response. Oh, she just won't feel it good. She just wanna feel nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe them second. Pepe them second. Pepe them Pepe them. If she not talk, wait till she can. But when she talk, you go feel the pain. If she not there, the house will go cold. But when she mouth, the house on fire. Oh, Pepe. What you do for secret, she go dissect and make her public. No matter who you be, she know they see you. Whether you hoe, whether you broke, even if you big, even if you small. Pepe, she just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe them second. Pepe them second. She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice.
I've told this boy to stop disturbing this person. What's happening here? What are you celebrating and who's that girl? Who's that girl outside? Someone is celebrating out there. Just come and see yourself. Like you're not where? Well, just What is going on here?
Sir? Sir, what is going on here? You say...
What is going on here?
I should be asking you.
It's celebration. Please, see, let my Oga come. I did not invite you, I forgot, sir. Please come.
What are we celebrating?
Maybe her birthday or something.
It's not my birthday, sir. With due respect, it's not my birthday. Allow me to talk. I'm celebrating something and it's my celebration. So I'm celebrating success. Because just 3 days ago, my Ajia sacked me from her kitchen. She fired me. And now my Oga employ me. So you know there's upon that, he still wire me 300,000 for nothing. Just nothing. That one a favor. So
listen, who is she in the first place? Clear this, okay?
Yes,
Please.
sir. Yes, sir.
Clear this, okay?
Sir, but I never start the name part. I never cut cake. Make we just quick.
I said remove all these things from here. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Sir, please let's cut cake in Jesus' name.
Say you should remove it.
Beggar, na me will cut cake.
Okay, clear this thing and stop talking rubbish.
Let's cut cake. Come and help me. Let's cut cake. I will not be the only one to cut this cake now.
Cut which cake?
This cake now.
I think say you say no, Oga be your chairman.
You know they chop.
No, I know they. You want me to sack me? I did background.
You go and bring the knife. Let me cut it.
I say I know the chop cake.
No, I'm not go chop. Bring the knife. Your knife.
No, this is not funny. It's not funny.
Why is it not funny? How did you end up getting a clown as a chef? A more or less Tom and Jerry?
The company sent her. Yes.
Well, I just hope you don't regret this.
Please, can we just forget about her and talk about the wedding?
Wait a minute. I hope she's not staying here with you. Because that will be more hazardous.
Listen.
Honestly.
Listen. Everybody must not be serious, okay? That girl might look like a joke, but trust me, she is someone special. Yes. She saved me from going to jail. And yes, if I must answer your question, she stays here with me. So please, leave her alone, okay?
Are you being serious right now?
Like I cry before he knows that I'm serious. I have been tolerating your excesses in this house, but this will be your last chance. The next time such nonsense repeats itself, I will fire you.
Sorry, sir. Okay, no vex. I just say get as body do me. Yeah, I can't drink agbo. I don't know say na sample water dey inside the agbo. I sleep carry me.
Don't you know you're too old for such nonsense? I don't care what you drank. The next time this nonsense repeats itself, I will fire you. Just have yourself to blame.
Sorry, sir. Ogama quickly go sweep the compound.
Check if she's done cooking. Every day, every 2 days, you're saying sorry. Sorry.
Okay. You say it remains small. Like small things.
You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Like you're mad. You're mad.
I go blow your eye, yo.
Blow my eye. If your hand no disappear, no say my name no be Peta. Blow me now. Blow me.
If I shall never give my life to Christ, I for not beat you.
No, beat me.
I for not beat you. I for not beat you. You know.
You're mad. Sir.
Oga.
Sir, this boy, they insult person well.
How they insult you?
They insult person well. I go deal with
Tell
you.
Oga how they insult you.
You are calling me a cook. What the heck?
You no be cook. Abi you be driver. Abi you be gate man.
Will you shut up? Now tell me, what is the difference between a cook and a chef?
Thank you, sir, for that question. A cook is the person when they cook for poor man. Abi? Chef is the person when they cook for rich man. Me and they cook for rich man normally, or my oga rich. And cook food, if you chop cook food, you go purge die. Another one, if you chop cook food, your body gonna pay you, your body gonna pay you, go get cold or head. Oga sir, please, Since when I start to cook for you, don't get body pain?
No.
You don't dey purge before?
No.
You don't dey feel anyhow for your body before? So why you dey insult me? You dey mad? You dey insult my personality? Are you mad?
Ete,
Oga,
please, always address her as a chef, not a cook. Hope you understood.
I don't hear Oga. Nah, chef.
Idiot. Oga, sir, please, wait till you go chop for breakfast.
Fried plantain, fried fish with egg sauce.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you with confidence?
Want to discuss with you?
Sorry, sir.
Whatever it is can wait until I return.
You mean I'm... Okay, sir. Ha. Hey. I for cook no ask am cook the one wa sabi.
You
Why you dey laugh now?
you for no ask am. Man, for the remaining one.
I beg you get helmet and face mask.
As Okada rider. Fire service.
I get out. You two dey use. You two dey use. Idiot. You no go carry that glass cup come inside.
Now they go keep helmet with face mask. You not gonna need cutlass.
Now go punish you. Idiot.
Anyway, she dey prepare them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh, Pepe. Every day now, each day get your own drama. If no be talk, na fight oh. I'm out na shoot on sight. Oh, Pepe. Anything where you talk, you get your response. Oh. She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice.
Check. What's in the apple?
I can't say something to happen. No, you hear my voice say something to happen.
This one when you dress like who they go work.
If she not talk, wait till she can. But when she talk, you go feel the pain. If she not there, the house will go cold. But when she mount, the house on fire. Oh, Pepe. Even the things where you do for secret, she go dissect and make her public. No matter who you be, she know they see you. Whether you hold, whether you throw.
What is going on here and why are you dressed like this?
I'm cooking, sir. I'm trying.
You are cooking, is that why you're dressed like this?
No, sir.
What? What manner of carelessness is this?
Sir, I was cooking, sir. I'm sorry.
Do you want to burn down my house?
Sorry, sir. I have phobia for oil.
Will you shut up? You're very, very mad. You are a chef, yet you have phobia for oil. Why didn't you tell me that you can't prepare or fry fish?
That's what I wanted to tell you that time. I say I want to discuss with you with confidence. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You're such a joke.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Why you dey laugh? Everything is a joke to you. If this has gone down, you go dey laugh. Na joke. You no get sense. Hey, Jesus Christ. Sir?
Listen, I don't have time for this childish behavior, okay? I'm paying you off. Leave my house because I don't understand. What sort of madness is this? You can't fry fish, yet you call yourself a chef. Do you want to burn down my house?
I will learn, sir. I promise you. I will learn.
You will learn how to fry fish in my house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. I don't have such time. Take.
Thank you, sir.
I'm paying you off. I don't have time for this childish behavior. So leave and never return.
Sir, please, I will return. Let me cook for that your wife who will come. I beg, your future wife.
If I meet you here in the next few minutes, you will regret knowing me. Leave.
Okay, sir. Can you give me 2 days?
I'm chef. I no be cook. You not even fit fry fish. Hi. See, if na me be you, I not go anywhere. Just stand there. Yeah.
I don't go anywhere because if I stay here, you go give me your work and I make a begin to do get man.
God take uniform now.
You go size you. You get money. See my money. At least they pay me off the commodity. You, if they sack you, they not go pay you, chicken.
No worry.
At least if I even beg, make it free me. You go still leave the money with me. You no go collect and last.
No worry, as I be fry fish. This helmet, not.
You no go come on here.
So I will learn how to fry fish.
I'm gonna fire you. Sir?
Who be that?
Ete.
Calm down.
Ete.
Mama Chacha!
How you doing now?
Fine, no, leave her, no worry yourself. You know, you soft and they lock iron.
You're so funny. So,
You're welcome.
So it's your bossing?
No.
No?
Oga come out. He never even pay when he just come out. Pepe! I come. But I Chacha don't show.
Pepe? Who's that?
Now our new chef.
Chef?
Yes, sir.
Wait, we have a new chef.
He even tell me, say, he prepare something special for you. This not the only chef when they wear helmet, they fry fish.
Oh my God. Take my things upstairs. That's beautiful. It's good to know that we have a new chef.
Enjoyment, not the finish.
Madam, welcome.
Thank you.
How you done?
Pepe!
I need to see this picture.
Pepe!
Waiting be that. Waiting.
Madam, don't come.
Hey. Oh, welcome, ma.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, you look very beautiful, very sweet, and very spontaneous.
Oh, thank you. I like her already. She's very active.
Yeah.
Don't mention.
So you're the new chef?
Yes, ma. I made something special for you.
Really?
Yes, ma.
You made something for me?
Yes, ma.
Special at that?
Yes.
What did you make?
Top notch.
Sorry. What's top notch?
Top notch. Your husband to be told me that if you are planning wedding, that I should make top notch for you. So I made a very good top notch for you.
She's so active. I really like her.
So,
Let me have it.
One more thing. Please, I want to be among your brother train. Please. Even if not for front, let me.
Okay. No problems at all. I really like you.
Okay, ma.
Yes.
With all due respect, ma, let me go and bring your food so that you eat and have yourself and get yourself.
Oh, please, I can't wait.
Yeah, set up.
So you
Set up.
bring it here.
Okay, ma.
Thank you already.
Thank you, ma.
Madam, I swear, you will enjoy this top notch.
I can't wait.
Now special top notch, now for you.
They help me take
Man,
my
take your
clothes.
bag
Yes,
inside.
Holy, holy, holy,
This is serious.
Lord God Almighty.
Is that how you sing when you...
Yes, ma.
Oh my God, this looks good and smells nice.
Thank you, man.
Please, thank you. Can't wait to test this.
You can wait. Eat it, you wait.
Okay. Lie. Hey! This is nice.
Yes, ma.
This is so nice.
You like it?
I love it.
Wow. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Easy, eh? Easy your food. You are not dragging with anybody.
No.
This bridge or fresh juice?
Fresh juice will be fine.
See your package in your hand.
I need to enjoy this. So nice. I'm coming here every weekend.
This is the only opportunity you have to get him on his knees. Right? Good. So grab it. Thank you. We'll talk later.
Thank you for begging me, and I'm sorry for the inconveniences.
It's okay.
Can you come for a glass of wine, please?
No, thanks.
Is this how much you hate me now?
Are you the one talking about hate? What you exhibited is the height of wickedness and hate. Trying to frame me up for something I did not do. That's the height of hate.
I'm sorry. I only did that to get your attention. I'm sorry.
Get out. I don't have time for such drama.
Okay, can I at least get a last hug? Even if it's for the last time, please.
Hello, baby. I'm fine. Where are you? Oh, really? I'm home. Oh. Yeah. Baby, I just wanted to surprise you now. Alright, hurry home, okay? I'll be waiting. I love you. What?
Didn't I tell you about this? I told you.
What do you have me do? I want to do something that will hurt him so badly.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and scatter the wedding.
Do I need to wait until the wedding for me to spoil it?
That's not what I meant. All I'm trying to say is that you can come up with the big lies that you have a child for him.
But I don't.
But you heard me said a big lie. What else you want?
Why don't you just come up with a bigger and a better lie than this?
Okay, that's good. Do you have any?
No.
All right. Wait a minute. Okay, I think I have something.
What?
You can also say you're pregnant for him.
Do you think it will work?
Do you have any reason for it not to work? Of course it will work.
Where's your boss?
Oh, Ma?
Where's your boss?
You're looking angry. What's going on?
I said, where's your boss?
He's outside. Are you fine? What's going on?
What is that?
Madam!
Come here.
Madam,
Where's
any
your
problem?
boss? Where's your boss?
Any problem?
Where's your boss?
Okay, he go in morning jogging. Madam. Hey! Madam, I the red oh. Ete, where's your boss? Hey! Hey! Do not allow me. Do not allow me.
Hey, how can you do this to me? Can you imagine? Oh God. Hey. Voila. I'm back.
What's up, honey? What's going on here? Why is your face like this?
Is this the trouser you wore to work yesterday? Yes or no?
All right. Yes.
Okay. So what's this doing inside the pocket?
A condom.
A balloon. So this is the police station you went to. Obi, why are you cheating on me?
Trust me, honey. I can't even explain how this got into my pocket. Are you sure this came out of my pocket?
I'm stupid, right? No, I'm stupid.
Trust me, I have no hand in this. What will I be doing with a condom?
You know what? You're just a liar. Yes, that's what you are. Take.
Yeah, I know nothing about it. They just listen to me. Baby. Hey.
I need to wake up from this dream. Mother. Hello, Mom. Mom, I can't continue with this anymore. Obi is not who he appeared to be. There will be no more wedding. Yes, I'm coming home.
Oh yo yo, oh yo 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 yo. Anyway, she dey pepper them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh pepper. Every day now wahala. Each day get your own drama. If no be talk na fight oh. Her mouth na shoot on sight oh pepper. Anything where you talk, you get your response. Oh. She just won't feel it.
Who be that?
She just won't feel it nice.
I don't know when to knock this gate.
Just enjoy.
Hey, wait. You knock him again, you pass there, go back.
If she not talk, what is she
What is wrong with you? You know, sometimes you talk.
Where's your boss? In the inside, though.
Inside. Are we not going for... What's he doing inside?
I got no over come out since, so he just locked himself for inside the room.
Why? What for?
Madam don't go. And since when Madam go, now so he just lock himself inside, he not agree come out.
What do you mean, Madam don't go? What was Madam don't... Wait. His fiancée?
I don't know, Francis, and she, the Madam now.
What happened?
Wow. Okay, I don't want to day here, know wetin happen. The only thing be say, I just hear Madam, they talk of condom. Oga dey beg. The next thing, now she go inside, carry bag, begin shout for me, open the gate. Now he go.
Excuse me.
I beg, just try, make it come out. I beg. So he pay me on. Man, when they agile anyhow, how come they do? Make I like my worry. Oh.
Hey. Where is your boss?
Who are you? Who wants him?
Are you blind or something? I said, where is your boss? You're seeing me and you ask me who wants him.
Who wants him?
Okay, I want to see him.
You. Okay, you're not there for a right mood to see anybody. You can go.
What makes you think you can take such decision to know when he's in the right state of mind to see anyone or not?
But I tell you, no, say you know the right mood to talk to anybody. Should be you know the hear what they talk. I know say you like English, yes, but you know the right. He is not in right mood to talk to anybody. At all, anybody, at all.
And who is the anybody?
Who is the anybody?
Yes, who is... Listen, let me tell you. I am your boss's best friend. And as a matter of fact, I'm his best man. Is that understood?
Wait, what can they do best friend? Ah! No wonder. No wonder.
No wonder what?
No wonder nothing. Oga, come out, man. I got no one see you. With all due respect, sir, go. Get out of this house, sir.
Well, I don't know why I'm talking with Coco.
Sir, get out! Take this one. Hello, Mama? Mama, wait, I'll call you back out. My food!
Obi? Obi, I know you can hear me. Please open the door. Obi, I beg you in God's name, just open the door, let's talk. Obi? Alright, fine. If you do not want to open the door, call her number for me so I can call her. Let me talk to her. I believe she'll see reasons with me, please. I beg of you. Obi, please pick up your call. Your phone is ringing, just pick up your call. Please, I beg of you. Obi, listen to me. I am your friend.
I understand all you're going through right now. Let's talk things over. At least, I know I can be of help. I know you can trust me enough to tell me what's happened. Please, just open the door. Obi, please open the door. Wow. This is serious. Obi, you don't need to do this to yourself. I think you're pushing it too hard on yourself. Hi. I'll be leaving then. I guess you don't also want to see me too. Asa, the stunt is working already. Yes, he locked himself inside a room. His fiancée has left him. He's in there crying. No, you don't need to come. No, don't come. I'll tell you when to come. All right? All right. Goodbye.
Wow. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Anyway, she dey pepper them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them.
Oh, very pretty wife. Oh. If one make you vex, you follow the other wife. It's a. Okay, how far? In don't open.
No, he did not open it and they did not talk to me.
What do you can do now? Eh?
I don't know. I think I just need to look for Chacha. I need to look for her number, then give her a call. Maybe I can talk some sense to her to come back. If not for anything, she needs to come back for their wedding coming soon.
I beg. Anything when you just do, make this man happy. I beg. Eh?
Please open the gate.
Moga when gallant anyhow.
Open the gate.
What's this?
If she not there, the house will go.
I beg, try you. I beg. Moga when gallant anyhow. Nah. Man, all week anyhow. Eh? Let me say, this one they marry more than one wife. If this one makes it, you go the other one.
No matter who you be, she know they see you. Whether you hoe, whether you broke, even if you big, even if you small. Pepe, she just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe demo, second. Pepe demo, second. Pepe demo, second. Pepe demo. She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe demo, second. Pepe demo, second.
I don't even know that you're out though. I was thinking you have seen your room, so I was planning to organize, breakfast in bed. But as you are here already, let me go and bring your food, sir. Don't worry, calm down, sir. Like it, sir.
Why are you full of love?
Okay, sir. The thing is, that eye that you slapped me that time, it's only you I can use the eye and see. I swear to God.
Meaning?
Meaning, say, if they pay me, say your wife to be leave you come out too. But God say, don't worry. For any door will close, another one will open.
So who is the other door?
The other door there be say, as your wife come out, and I say me and they free can replace. See, sir, this is my eye. Now only you are the see. I got my eye on you. Because the chemistry is A1. Sir, look into my eye. You see fire in there. Fire.
Really?
Yes, sir. See.
Wow.
What happened? Okay, don't come out. What happened now? What do you do when Oga take slap your eye now? Why they talk so now? What do you do now?
Now my dream.
My friend, come up for my body. Your eye. Eh? See, you don't even smell nutmeg, rotten onions, and small tatache. Eh? Yes, now he reach Oga to slap you for dream.
Maybe now why he slap me?
Who be that one? Who be that idiot? Eh? Who they knock like that? Hey, wait. Which one you dey waka dey go like say the house na your own?
What's the meaning of this? Well, I do not have the time. As he opened the door.
See, Oga, they go your house. Eh? No worry, we go handle this matter our way. Eh? When the matter don't pass our power, we go invite in people come. Because we not trust anybody right now.
And what is the meaning of that jargon you just spewed? What do you mean by we not trust anybody? And where's that coming from?
You know say you like big English. Now you get dictionary. You go your house, go they read and first. Come they go.
You need to have yourself examined.
Come they go.
What's wrong with you?
Come they go first. See,
are you mad? Have you gone insane?
Because say I wear this uniform. I'm not well though. Come they go.
Don't touch me again.
Oh yeah, they go. Hey, see, now small thing now. Hey, now this thing I take go carry prison for warrior. Now person I kill. Come they go.
Of course you're not well too.
Hey.
My friend,
see,
don't allow me. I won't you.
I keep us for worry before. You don't know me. I keep us for worry before. Eh? Wait till happen you. I still they pay you. Not be you they block everywhere just now. Slap where you collect for dream. For real life, I still they pay you. Now thunder when get body order. Mouth order when not get father mother. Now I go fire you for that gate. They tell us something. He do. Waiting now. Slap where you collect for dreams since you never still clear for real life. Waiting happen.
I need to slap out.
Oh God,
I not even blame anybody. If not be me when shop by school fees, I for they do this work. Nonsense. They knock. They knock.
What's the meaning of this rubbish? Can you imagine?
As I tell you.
Do you know you are assaulting me?
See, make I just give you your last respect.
Are you stupid?
See, I go deck you.
See, if your hand touch me one more time, I will give you the beating of your life. Are you stupid?
Oh yeah, take your hand, come on.
Are you mad?
See, I go finish you. You know the year? Take your hand, come out.
What has come over you?
I said, take your hand, come out. Now, last respect now they give you so.
Don't try this.
Finally, see him. See him. I said, take your hand, come out. Take your hand, come out.
Yo, are you mad? Open this gate.
I'll punish you.
Open this gate.
I'll punish you.
If I come in there, I will beat you blue black.
Nothing. Jump
first. If I come in there, I will beat you mercilessly.
Jump first, come. This could be the second time when I go murder person. Because if you know who murdered my mother, when not murder your mother.
Did you take anything today? Are you under the influence of alcohol?
You don't get what you will do. Stay there,
you will lose your job today. You will lose your job today. You're going to lose your job today.
Once I come in there, if you get job, you for not there here. So you don't lose your job already. Nonsense. Are you talking to me like that? Open this gate. Open this gate. Ete? Ete? This guy is stupid. This guy must be a fool.
Kelly, what's up? Has he opened the bedroom door?
I am so angry right now. Can you imagine that low life of a security pushing me outside? What impudence?
You know what? Let me go in and try your lock, okay? Just don't worry. Let me just.
I see. Push.
Ete! Ete! Ete is me! Ete! Is Asa! Ete!
Somebody was knocking here.
Hey! Is it that I'm too small for you to see?
Oh. Okay, now you knock, Now you knock.
Is that supposed to be a greeting or what?
No, sometimes they greet like that. Who they find? Talk something there for kitchen, a pool pot for fire. Who they find? Who are you?
Is it me you're talking to like that? It's like you don't know who I am, right? You don't know.
Who are you, ma?
And why are you looking around?
I'm looking for your convoy. Who are you, ma? Your Excellency.
I can see you're very disrespectful.
Who be that person when one break this door? You didn't mad?
What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you too? Who are you? Who are you looking for? Simple question. Stop stressing me.
Who am I? So, I now look like Kim Kardashian, that you cannot recognize me, right? Fine. Go and tell Obi that Asa is here.
Asa?
Yeah.
Is Asa your real name or your nickname?
Tell Obi that Asa is here. He's
is
not Kim Kardashian.
Asa your real name?
Yes! Asa, not Kim Kardashian. Asa. Tell him. Hush, hush.
So you sabi talk. You're not ashamed of yourself.
What's happen now? You want for the door? Who you dey look for?
And what kind of question is that? Were you not the one that opened the gates for me?
What you dey find again? What you dey find? Oga don tell you say he no wan see your face for this house again.
I heard he's not feeling fine, so I'm here to see him. Go and tell him.
Oh, nurse. Because I don't see you with first aid box. I don't see this thing when they put for here, when they take check. See, Oga dey inside since he don't lock this door. He never come outside. So you go carry the Panadol and small fancy when you carry come. Go.
Look, just let me in, okay? I know him very well. He's somebody that I know how he operates. I can make him happy. Besides, letting him be alone is not good for him. He might even harm himself. Just help me open the door, okay?
What for the door?
Hey, come back here. I demand an apology for all the insults you have been giving me in this house. Oh yeah?
Apology.
Yes.
For you. For you?
Yes, I demand an apology.
Like a real apology.
Didn't you go to school? I said apologize.
I know. Apology get different. I feel even they take and tell you apology. Apologize. So which one you want? You really want to be?
Didn't you go to school?
I want to talk. I beg. I know they apologize.
Come back here! Come back here! Oh my God! You know what? You're fired! You're fired! I'm just going to tell you. You're fired!
Fire! Where's the fire now? Okay, where's the fire?
What have you done?
God is still make you no wake up. I hear fire, but you no hear fire.
They make me carry fire things now.
You know, I'm going to strangle you. Come here! Come here! Oh, do something!
Oh, this house don't tire me.
Do something! Come bring her! Do something! Come bring her here! I'm still going to kill you. I'm going to kill you.
I'm accepted to apologize. So, how are we doing it? Sorry. This one now is the fake one. The real one. That's why I was asking that time. Which one do you want? Is it the fake one, real one, or normal one? But let me just give you the real one now. I'm sorry. From the depth and the innermost part of my heart, I'm sorry. What will I do to make you happy? What will I do to make it up to you?
It's not like I need your apology again. But since you've apologized, I will accept it. But before that can happen, you have to wash this cloth, dry it, and iron it. But before then, go and prepare me toasted bread and make it pepperish. Very pepperish.
So now only pepper now. Don't worry, I will make the toasted bread and make it very pepperish like you said. Very, I'll put plenty pepper. From my place, we eat pepper well. So I know how to garnish it for you, yeah?
I'm glad you're coordinating yourself now. You can go.
Thank you. Is that all? Well, bring the clothes. Let me go and wash.
Keep doing that! While you're preparing the toasted bread, I'll go and change. Baby, it's me, Asa. Baby, you can't keep doing this to yourself now. You can't be hurting yourself because of a woman when I'm alive. Please open the door.
Who's this one?
Baby, it's me.
What's she doing now? She better say me to stay outside. What's the carry you come here? You want to tell my God will be mad?
I have warned you. I have told you to stay away from my path. Stop insulting me.
See, I don't want this nonsense when you talk. My God, they say no day to say anybody. Come on here, go downstairs. What's the carry you come here now? This is not your plan.
Baby.
Talk to you. Auntie, come on here. Carry your dirty body, come on here now.
I'll beat you. Just stay away from my
But you can't want to see anybody. You know the year around. You want stress in mind. Come on here.
Baby. Baby.
Come on here. I go push you. I go push you. My God, give me authority to see make anybody go come here. Come on.
You see me, you're hitting.
Hey, all of you get out of that place. Get out!
Okay, sir.
You've heard my baby, so get out.
Which baby? Oh, God, she been all of us.
You heard him. Go away. He's talking to servants. Go.
Oh, God, you know.
Get out!
Baby, please now just open the door for me, please. Baby, be your answer. Baby. Cook! Where is she? Cook! Rice and egg. But this is not what I asked her to prepare for me. Hold on. How does she know that I love eggs so much? I can actually eat this while I wait for her to prepare me my special food. Let's see. Asayo and egg.
They go like this. To Grace no hard on a track in the walk. Okay, say the mouth. Open up.
What's your
Sorry. Where? Oh, yeah. the mouth now, make a blow. Give me the mouth. Give me the mouth. Open up for ground. Give me the mouth like that. Give me the mouth.
Anyway, she dey pepper them. I see them photo, she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh, pepper. Every day now, each day get your own drama. If no be talk, na fight. Oh, her mouth na shoot on sight. Oh, pepper. Anything when you talk, you get your response. Oh, she just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice.
What's going on? This is not the plan. The plan is to go in there, lure him to bed, and then take a picture with him as an evidence, then come out. Why is she not picking her calls? What kind of a human being is this? Very simple task. Go in there, lure him to bed, take picture with him as evidence and come out. This is not working out. What's going on?
She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe pepe demo second. Pepe pepe demo second. Pepe pepe demo second. Pepe pepe demo. She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe pepe demo.
Okay? That is nothing though. She do like say she want mad though.
What happened? Babe, are you okay? What is it?
I say they do this.
What happened?
Okay, I don't know. Just they do like say she be deaf and dumb since.
Wait, listen. What happened? Explain to me. You ate something. Who gave you what you ate? Where is Perpetual?
She go market. I'm not sure say she don't come back.
You don't give her what she ate.
Yeah.
What did you give her to?
What did I give you? I don't do anything. Why did they push me? I don't give her anything. I mean, she don't demand.
She has been demonstrating as if you gave her something to eat.
I don't give her anything. One thing I give you chop. I go buy I go market, go buy something. Where I go eat prepare something for her.
Oga, I sure say na she prepare wetin she eat.
Don't mind.
Are you sure you gave her nothing?
She don't push me again, no.
Let's take her to the hospital. Let me have a car.
Calm down. Come, what do you do that? Because I'm not saying that you go down to something. Madam. Oga they call you, say may you come una eat. Madam, Oga say make I call you, Mona come eat. Have you the best? Wait, oh, the hospital when una go just now, e no work. Hey! Ah! Ekpetu. Ah, e don spoil. Wait, oh,
So all this packaging, so if they knock you now, sound not go come. Hey. Now up NEPA. Now will be the year before. This your own now off NEPA. Ah! Fine girl like this, everything don't spoil. Bado.
Do not mess up this time. If you mess up, the consequence will be grave. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. I will not mess it up.
Use this handkerchief. Clean your face. Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then, use these eggs to prepare a meal for him. If you do that, he will love you forever. Do not eat from the meal. Do you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
After that, he will love you forever. Take. I don't like repeating myself. Do not eat from the meal. Do not eat from the meal. In short, don't even eat the meal at all. You can go.
Wait, now fence you the fence oh. Hey, what thing when I not go see for this work oh? Eh? Who just come from north, from south, from west, from east, even middle belt, because belt must stay middle. You go just come fence for this house. Eh? See, the way when I tell the fence for this house, no only me never fence oh. No only me never fence. And una go teach me how to fence. They're not gonna go use and take judge us on the last day. Say only me not fence. Eh? So now fence you the fence so. Okay.
Asa, what's your problem? What's going on? This is not the plan. Eh? I don't know what you're doing. What's all this now? What's that? What's that nonsense for? Listen, hey, Asa, listen to me. Hope you're not trying to play smart on me. Hope you're not trying to play smart on me. It's not after helping you to achieve your dreams. And then you want to do this nonsense with me. Asa, if I slap you, eh? Asa! See, don't do this nonsense with me, oh!
I don't understand what you are saying. Which one is Wait, when did you become deaf and dumb? Wait. Hope you did not eat the egg I asked you to prepare meal for him. You ate it. You ate the egg. Ah! It is finished. It is finished. You ate the egg. You see, for this condition now, you are going to remain like this for 7 months. Yes. Wait. Don't worry. I will help you. Sit down. Sit down. Wait, I'm coming.
Auntie Score. How far? You don't treat your madness. How you go today? I don't wash your clothes too. That one I don't wash them. You go for a guest room in case you want. I don't know whether you like or not. I go see the show here. You know one look my face today. I talk to you, they look to that side. Now you sabi oh. Now I say I don't innocent. Now you just make person they be like say the person a bad person. I don't innocent, I be good person. People like me, now only you know like me. Now only you know what to make you know like me. I want so not concern me.
Use this water and wash your face before you talk to him. He will love everything about you and he will do everything you ask him to do for you. Take. Do not drink from this water. Do you hear me? And don't let anybody touch this water. Come back in 3 days. Let me see what I can do for you. You can go. You can go. If you try, you mess up again.
Jesus Christ. What's with that nonsense now? You know see my body? Give my water. Mother, give my water now. See my body. See what you do my body. You want me to start the fight?
What's going on?
See my body, oh, you're mad. Madam, give me. I don't understand though. I dey drink water, she dey drag am with me. Come pour out for my body. See me now. Wow. I dey tell you something what happen. They do like ambulance.
You're the most beautiful girl.
Wow.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Is this you?
It's me now. It's me, sir.
You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Sorry, okay? I love you so much. What is it? Please don't hurt my baby, okay?
Please.
Are you sick? How dare you touch my baby? Please come. Please chill at home. Relax, sit down here. Anything you want, just tell me, okay?
Okay.
I love you, baby.
Love you too.
Avoid her. If you don't want me to kill you, avoid her. And go in there, pick your things and leave my house before I come back.
Okay.
Baby, I'm coming, okay?
Alright. Avoid me, idiot. Avoid me. As the madam of the house, avoid me. Come on, go and remove that cloth that keep it for me. Go and remove it. Can you hear me? Come and clean up this mess. Come and arrange this place and serve me my food. Don't hurt me. Every day now, each day gets young drama. From chef to madam of the house. This is my dream. She just wanna feel good. She just wanna feel nice. Madam, you're the most beautiful girl in the world.
Me, I get to guide everywhere. All these end time guys, me collect anything. But life no balance. Oh. Wait, oh. Oga dey call baby. Hey, God, oh. What you want? It don't happen again. It don't happen again. It don't happen again. Which one gonna be this one, not to resign for this work. I don't tire.
She just won't feel good. She just won't feel nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just can't take the groove.
Are you mad? Come on, get yourself here. Come on.
You say this kind of one start.
Are you deaf? Why are you to question my baby? Stop that.
Stop that. Don't play. Take this water. Go and put it for me in the freezer. Fast.
Listen, her word is law around this vicinity. Do you understand? Whatever she says stands.
Where you say make her put her?
Freezer.
Baby, please don't raise your voice, okay? Calm down.
Freezer. Who used to hear somebody? Are you mad? Put it in the freezer. I'd have changed my life from chef to madam of the house.
What is going on here?
What is going on is that I'm not the madam of the house. Yes, your second wife. That's why I told you about start begin. Maybe I told you.
My starting when?
Very.
Get lost.
Give me the water.
Which water? What nonsense? What's going on here? You, my second wife. I don't get it. How? Yeah?
Asa, will you stop this? What's your problem? Listen, Asa, it's obvious you're trying to play smart on me. Let me tell you. If you don't send me those pictures where you're with him on the bed, I'm going to expose you. I'll make sure he hears it. Please stop that, stop that. Asa, what did you rub on me? Stop! What did you... Asa! Asa! What did you rub on me?
I'm asking you, is that man the only man in this city? Answer me. Okay. You mean the man has money? Fine man. Pointed nose. With a clean heart. Oh, sorry. I see. In that case, I'm going to give you 27 strokes of cane. 27, yes. Once you don't make any noise, and you will regain your voice. Yes. 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 Then you are going to give me 500,000 naira. Only. Yes. Yes. You will talk again. And that exercise will start this night. Yes. 27 strokes of canes. Agreed? Agreed? Hey, 27 strokes of cane. Eh? Agreed? Hey! What are them more?
Chacha, please wait. Cha, please wait. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Let's go home.
I don't want to go home.
Cause please, let's go home. Please, let's go. Please. It's okay. Don't make me smile.
Are you ready? You are ready? Hey, you are ready? Hey. Stand up. Stand up. Turn around. Turn. That's okay. That's okay. Wait. Obimderedu atolojo, Obimderedu, Obimderedu, Deredu atolojo, Obimderedu, Ihamo gemeregi, Obimderedu, Deredu atolojo, Obimderedu, Amari Hamo gemeregi o. Obimderedu, Deredu atolojo, Deredu, Amari Hamo gemeregi, Obimderedu. Oh yeah, the exercise begins. Hey, Atụlụjọ obi m deredu ọmarị ihe ọma ọ ga-emere gị obi m deredu atụlụjọ obi m deredu ọmarị ihe ọma ọ ga-emere deredu 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 atụlụjọ obi m deredu ihe ọma ọ ga-emere gị obi m deredu 2 3 4 5 6 Wait, did you just shake your body? Ha! Hey! I forgot to tell you that you don't have to shake your body. We are going to start afresh. 27 times 27. We are going to multiply it into 2. Do you hear me? So don't shake your body. 23, 24, 25, 26. Ha! You let it? Hey! Ha! You have desecrated my holy temple. For that, we are going to start afresh. 27 times 27. Do you hear me? Baba! Hey! Baba! Baba, get up! Baba, get up! I never reached 50 something. You come begin to talk. So you walk. You walk. You okay, but as you walk now, so that I can take the glory. Hey! Hey! Thank God say walk. You say this is no walk. Hey! God may do wonder. Wonderful king. Wonderful king.
Cause why are you sitting here? Sis, if you can't chill, that means you still love him. Why don't you go and reconcile with him? You can't be like this. I mean, how long do you want to be this way?
He cheated on me.
I know.
He lied to me.
Sis, men will always lie.
I trusted him, but he broke the trust.
But you can forgive him.
He hurt me. He hurt me.
I know. But you are hurting yourself the more if you shut him out. He has been calling, sending text messages, and pleading. Please forgive him. I think he loves you. And it's obvious you love him too. Please, forgive him.
I'll think about it.
That's my sis. Can we go and sleep now? Hmm?
Okay.
Hey, who be that? You, Papa, who be that? Me, who? By this time. Jesus. Hey! Where did they come from? when they say spiritual wife, they stay river. This one comes. I mean, don't open it. That will soon begin dance with you. And I tell her, I know the year. This one serious, so. What did they happen for this house? Eh? I need to resign, oh. Make you know this finally, I mean they call you. Eh? But wait, oh. Eh? How come she come the house by this time of the night? Come dress like this, so be like who go river or who don't push shrine? Ha! This one not clear, oh. This one not clear, oh. Cannot the hear word, oh. Eh? But wait, oh. Eh? Person when he be say, he go come, he go say, all this my package, all this. Now he go tire up and he run for road. And he say, craze down the John. Oh, waka. I need to resign, may they not use me.
Baby! Baby love! Baby, it's me! Oh, baby! Baby! Baby!
Wait, oh. You don't even dey talk. Wait till you even find come this house by this time of the night.
Look, she won't even understand what happened to me today. In fact, I was actually kidnapped. If you see all the things that I went through today, it's by the grace of God that I even escaped those bad people.
Oh! This is your testimony. Touch me. Because what God cannot do does not exist. Yes. Oh! Yes. And you got to come by this time.
Hey, please, Kara. I need to have my partner. I'm feeling somehow, please.
Okay. Your body, they scratch you, eh?
Yeah, I don't get my phone to call my baby for phone. They took everything from me, please.
Okay, no problem. Make her turn around there. Make her tell her. Then if you say, I open the door for you, I'll open her. Yeah? Do? Thank God for your life. Oh. You. Do. You say me, you come back. Come back. Do?
I have some few questions for you. I hope you don't mind.
That's okay.
I know you're a friend of Obi.
That's correct.
You know a lot about him. Is it true that Obi is cheating on my sister Chacha?
I actually don't know how to say this, but I have to spell it out. Yes, Obi is cheating on Chacha. Obi is my very good friend. I've tried to stop him over this act of having numerous girlfriends, but he wouldn't listen. Chacha is a very good person. Chacha is every responsible man's dream. So I don't know why this is happening now, because see, Obi is someone that I wouldn't say Obi do not love Chacha. Yes, he loves Chacha, but Obi cheats a lot. And this is not healthy for any marriage. I don't know what else to say, but I wish I can turn back the hands of the clock and then get them back together, because maybe with time Obio will change.
Thank you so much for this information. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll take my leave now.
One more thing. Maybe I can have your number, because I really want to talk to Chacha, and also update you on what's going on time to time. Alright,
okay.
So let me have your number.
0
Okay.
58.
Okay.
67.
Alright.
84.
Okay. Thank you. I'll call you.
Alright. Take care.
Elegant beauty. Look at the way you're walking. You look pretty today. Well, I called you out because I wanted us to have a talk. Yesterday I ran into Chacha's younger sister. We're actually talking, and then something led to another. She was asking me if Obi's cheating on her sister. Yeah. But I admitted to it. I said yes. I know, not just because of you though, but I had to stick to the plan so we can get what you want to do because of us. Right?
Us? What about us?
Oh yes, us. Like you and I getting together. Why are you looking at me like that?
You're so naive. You already know there will never be us. Never. Because I am with Obi and I love him.
Excuse me. Did you just say that to me? Like, are you serious? Listen. This is not the plan. The plan is to get his marriage destroyed and then come out. We'll get our life back. We'll go somewhere and settle down and start up something for ourselves.
That's your plan. Because you are a bad friend.
Excuse me.
Because you're a bad person. Me, on the other hand, I'm doing it because I want to get the man that I love. I love Obi and I am not leaving him anytime soon.
I am not going to have you talk that manner to me. Well, that is not the plan. The plan, stick to the plan. What's your problem? Well, if you insist you're going to do this, then I'll tell Obi everything. We'll blow everything out.
Then you don't know
tell
me.
him.
You don't know me. Go ahead.
Did you just walk? Are you walking out on me? Asa! Asa! I will tell him everything! Damn. It's okay.
Hello, cuz. Yeah, good afternoon. Are you still in Abuja? Okay. Me, I'm still in Enugu, but I'll be coming to Abuja in the next 45 minutes. Cuz I spoke with a few of Obi's friends. And I just realized that bad friends. Yes, they're not happy for both of you. Yes, I would advise you come to Enugu, just like I told you last night, to fight for your love. Okay. Safe trip. you doing?
Come on, I want to sleep.
You can go to the kitchen and do whatever you're doing there. I'm still watching TV. When I'm done, you can come
But
back.
I can't just fake nyash. Go guest room. I want to sleep.
I have told you this before. If you want to address my nyash like you usually call it, put a hashtag on it. It's expensive and natural, okay? Don't be silly. Shh.
What is wrong with you? I'm gonna knock your head though. I'm not gonna play with you. Give me the remote. Come on, you make a... What the hell is wrong with this? Come on, before I go visit you now, you break your head.
Don't just get on my nerves. Don't try it. Don't.
You know what happened? The main madam don't come back home. Main madam don't come back. They come back with security. Told that if you like, stay here. Now you go arrest. Better go down guest room, go stay. If you not to take the plan your life.
Who made that? Move it out.
Now, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's Yoga around.
Morga. Morga.
Is your boss in?
Yes, that's my boss. It's Morga. Morga is also my boss.
Bring this in.
No, let me help you, ma. Let me help you. Let me help you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay. See, excuse me, man. See, I beg, I want to ask you one question. The way the nation is going, people are dying, but you just be fine. But, madam. Madam. Madam.
Honey?
Are you gonna hurt me again?
No. You're welcome. I missed you.
Missed you too.
You're welcome. Come here.
So much.
Missed you, man.
So how have you been doing?
I've been good, but didn't do what?
So, baby.
What's that?
Baby. Baby.
Yeah?
Ah.
Welcome, ma.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
No, you're breathing so fast.
That's because I've missed you.
Yes, sir.
Missed you too, baby.
My oga miss you well. That time when you come out, you know they even greet chop. You go cry. I beg, if your friend they no leave am, I beg.
I won't. And that's why I'm here, to fight for his love. And I'm certain that I will win.
Child.
Right, baby?
Of course, you're winning already.
Thank you, baby.
Madam, we cook jollof rice. You can't get white rice and vegetable stew. Which one you want?
Pepe, I'm not hungry. Yeah, I'm fine. Just help me tell Ete to take my things upstairs.
Okay. Asa, dear.
Now that you're here, can we go and start shopping for our wedding?
No, baby. Let me just go upstairs and rest, okay?
I will do the driving. I can be driving while you're resting.
Baby, I just came in. I'm tired. I need to rest. We can do that later.
So if you don't want to go out, maybe buy ice cream or something.
Come take me upstairs.
Okay. Sorry for hurting you, okay? Oh, let me make sure that I'm getting your box, okay? Give me a sec. Well, love. I know. Go and tell her to leave this house, else I will strangle her to death.
Okay. But you don't say now you should obey.
Tell her to
Come
here. Where's your boss?
Eh?
Where's your boss?
That's my Oga.
Where's your boss?
He come out. He come out. Hey! He don't ready. Don't ready. That thing when they are hand, so he be like waiting and know. Come on, the year war. You know the year war.
Stop right there. Take this before I tear you apart.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to you. Have this.
That's not mine.
Would you like this on your body? Take this. Hold on. I'm not done with you. Let's go inside.
Please, I don't want to have any issues with you. I'm not feeling too strong.
You want me to use this on your body. You're not feeling too strong, but yet you spent the night in my husband's bedroom.
Nothing happened.
Inside.
I don't want to eat. Just let me go.
Eat.
Please, I'm not hungry.
I said eat. Unless you want me to pour hot oil on your body. What if this food was poisoned? don't do this to me, okay? Please. Please tell me you're joking. Please. Please let me go. Let me go so I can go and take an antidote before this will start affecting me. Please. Please let me go. Please let me go.
You know he has paid my bride price, right?
Yes. But please let me go. Look. Ever since you came into the picture, I've not had anything with him. And that's true. The condom, I planted it. Yes. I did it because I was very angry with him because immediately we broke up, he just moved on. And the pant and I just kept it there so that I can set up a fire. I'm sorry I've not done anything with him. And I promise you, I will not cross paths with him. Please just let me go, please. You can take this thing before you to start affecting me, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Fine. It wasn't poisoned. Get out. I've gotten all I need to know.
Oh yo yo, oh yo 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 yo.
Pepe.
Anyway she dey
Pepe.
them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh Pepe. Every day now wahala. Each day get your own drama. If no be talk on a fight.
Baby.
Yes, Lord.
I think we should move our wedding to August.
August?
Mm-hmm.
Why? August is 3 months from now.
Baby, we have a lot of bonding to do. I need to know you more. And you know me more.
Okay.
Hey.
Making sense. Let me not look as if I'm hiding anything.
Hey, look who have here.
3 months to plan your wedding.
2 blackbirds. So when did you come back, Chacha?
I came back yesterday.
Wow, that's great.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so happy for the both of you.
Yeah, you have no choice.
That means we have a wedding, right?
Of course.
Yes, we have a wedding to plan.
Hey, we want them. So what are we waiting for? Where do we stop? Let's get started. Look at there's no time.
Let me show you what the event planner sent.
Alright, that's good.
Yes, baby.
She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove.
Obio, I can explain. Right? I am so sorry. You see, what happened? Obio, please, I can explain.
I don't believe in explanation.
I want you to listen to me. No, I'm very, very stupid. Obio, take it easy. I am. I said,
get out of this place. Betrayer. If I kneel down there.
Each day get your own drama. If no be talk on a fight, I'm out my shoot on sight. Oh, baby. Anything where you talk, you get your response. Oh. She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe pepe demo. Second. Pepe pepe demo. Second. Pepe pepe demo. Second. Pepe pepe demo. If she not talk, wait till she can. But when she talk, you go feel the pain. If she not there, the house will go cold. But when she mount, my house on fire.
Hello, next. Is there what? My mother. How she died? My mama. Wait, she don't die. Jesus! Wait! She's trying to speak. I'm ready to speak. Careful! Jesus! Wait, so I'm not gonna let this die. Surgery. I don't get money for surgery. I'm not getting anybody who will help me like this. So now only me though. I'm not gonna die. Oh God, become a fan. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Let's just go die. How many days to go take before she die?
Anyway, she dey pepper them. I see them hot, or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh, Pepe.
Because I've not paid you, your mom now followed 70 kids.
No, sir, it's serious matter, sir.
Send me your account.
Okay, sir, 0022.
I said send your account.
Okay, sir. Even 75 times not going to reach the surgery safe. I don't know what I go do. Ah, God. Now
You like not to swallow 70 pieces of chicken. That's all.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I've sent it. Sir, I don't know. When you go like send the money, make a call, send to my mama for the surgery.
I'm really sorry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Hey! 76 pig. Who send them? Who send them? Who give them?
Transaction successful.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If your mama like, make she swallow to thick factor. It's none of my business.
Okay,
my wife to be will soon be here. Prepare lunch for her.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, we are.
Hello? When I get chicken, I want chicken shawarma, then chicken separate. Don't add and juice. Put the juice for freezer. I want if I drink and make blood this. I want to put something in my head. You want make and the chicken make it strong, go fry and well. Yeah, I'm at the wait. Tell her you don't enter, don't worry, do I'm at the wait.
Hello, welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, man.
I think you go there backyard.
Let me look for me.
No. That backyard, I see.
Anyway, she dey prepare them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them.
Wait, did you get all this from my kitchen?
No.
Now wait.
No. Then I'm my salary pay. So I forgot paying my salary. I think I take myself out.
Is this how you squander your salary?
No. I don't squander salary. I don't squander my salary. I chop up.
You dey chop one?
You know, this is the economy of this country now. If I die now, nobody will help me chop my money. I think God does it. Even back step, not going to even give my family. I will chop up. So make I just chop up myself. I don't walk out.
Now will you get inside and get my lunch?
Okay. We can finish this fine.
I said get inside and get my lunch now!
This is how you tell them. We can finish and
It's like you're crazy. I said get inside and get my lunch.
Okay, ma.
Nonsense. Nonsense.
You dey ask me? Eh? So wait now so you dey chop your salary, you not get savings? Eh? Now last supper you dey chop so the way when you be so na last supper now you dey chop.
Who says I no go to? Who am going?
Wait be like say oga don come home. I hear home.
Anyway, she dey prepare them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh, baby. Every day now, each day get your own drama. If no be talk, na fight. Her mouth na shoot on sight. Oh, baby. Anything when you talk, you get your response. Oh. She just want feeling good. She just want feeling nice.
Na sleep you just gallant for here dey sleep like this. How far your mama na?
Put mama.
I hear they pay me, I don't know what they talk. Your man, when you say he swallow toothpick now, they don't do the surgery.
This surgery, I don't know what they talk about.
Wait. As you dey sleep so now you dey forget things when they happen. Not be this morning now you dey cry, dey shout, say your mama swallow toothpick, oh, your mama won't die, oh, make dem do surgery. Yeah?
Me? When I talk and when? Which surgery they talk about? No, not tell me now which surgery they talk about. I tell you I didn't do any surgery. I don't know, stop me. I don't know whether this part, you know, I don't make hunger king.
And this one now they call loss of memory. Not be you they talk say your mama swallow toothpick. And na 7 toothpick you say swallow. Whether they don't do the surgery, whether they don't come out, you don't even know. That one not concern me. I did my day. I beg. We not go shop. Are they hungry? That thing be like generator sound. Baby. Oh, now sleep, you don't sleep like this, so. No problem now. You get lost, I don't give my life to Christ. I for use you now. But ma just leave you. They sleep your sleep. Ma go find where they have to shop. They sleep.
Come here. Why did you lie to your boss that your mother swallowed toothpick?
I thought you told me that you're an orphan and your mother died a long time ago.
Actually, ma, she died long time ago. But technically, she died financially. Yes.
How?
Ma, her pockets go dry. Like she don't get money. She dey poor. And technically, me too come join her. So now make I say I be orphan because you don't get anything.
I see. Oh yeah, you can apologize to your boss this minute.
Alright, ma. Go. But my salary will give me, no be say I borrow money.
Go and apologize to your boss.
Okay.
Same technically, financially. What kind of man being with this? Oh my God.
Alright, ma. So, ma. What are we having for lunch? You accepted the apology. Okay. So what are we having for lunch?
Porridge. Yam porridge will be fine.
Okay, make them cook and fast. Are they hungry? Yeah?
I don't understand. Who are the they that will prepare the food and who are the we are hungry?
Are you not hungry, madam?
Are you not the one that is meant to prepare my food? And wait, you came inside this room, you didn't knock. Why are you putting on your shoes on my bed? Why are you even lying down?
Ma, the day that is cooking the food is the new chef. Because you told me that I'm part of this family now. Is it because of this? No, I just wear today to flex and small. Nothing else. So. You forget what you tell me.
What did I tell you?
Thank you, ma.
Pepe, oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, do you want anything else?
Nothing. This is fine. Thank you.
Sure.
Pepe, thank you for always taking care of me.
You're welcome.
I want you to know something now. From now on, you're part of us. You're part of this family.
You know now?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're one of us now, so feel at home, okay?
Thank you, ma.
Welcome.
God bless you for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Why are you removing them?
You say I'm part of the family. Let me go and wear my normal clothes. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Ma, God do bless you for me. You don't know what you have done for me. I never even imagined for this life, say I will be part of this kind of big family. Thank you, ma. Let me go and change my clothes now. So that maybe after we'll start talking about how to employ another maid. Thank you, ma. God bless you. Hey! This one is upliftment.
But I didn't say she should. I don't understand. I didn't say she should leave her job.
What you make me?
Hey, Pepe. Oh, leave my room now and go make me something to eat.
Ma, but you say I'll be part of family now.
Pepe, leave this room. Come on, come.
Well, ma, you get something wey dey happen to me for this house. The other day when I become madam of house, now just 1 minute. And now you don't make me part of family for just 1 minute. You don't even reach 1 minute. I beg you, ma. I want make you just clear me small. So technically, it means say you know if you keep to your word. I be technically I not be part of family.
Don't leave them.
Sorry, ma.
Hey, now which kind of chef is this?
Anyway, she dey pepper them. I see them hot or she dey give them. No time to dull, she dey busy them. Oh, Pepe. Every day now, each day get your own drama. If no be talk, na fight. Oh, I'm out na shoot on sight. Oh, Pepe. Anything where you talk, you get your response. Oh, she just won't feel it good. She just wanna feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe pepe them more. Second. Pepe pepe them more. Second. Pepe pepe them more. Second. Pepe pepe them more. If she not talk, wait till she can. But when she talk, you go feel the pain. If she not there, the house will go cold. But when she mouth, the house on fire. Oh, Pepe. What you do for secret, she go dissect and make her public. No matter who you be, she know they see you. Whether you hoe, whether you broke, even if you big, even if you small. Pepe, she just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove. Pepe pepe them more. Second. Pepe pepe them more. Second. Pepe pepe them more. Second. Pepe pepe them more. She just won't feel it good. She just won't feel it nice. She really wanna be the boss. Just enjoy the groove.